Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th canto, chapter 8, text 12. No. Sadhuvada, opinion of learned persons. Pantaman mata, Munikopa, by the anger of Kapila Muni. Kapila Muni ko krodhari, Bharjita, were born to ashes. Vansoitale, Nrupendra Putra, all the sons of Sagar Maharaj. Sagar Maharaj and Raputra. Iti, thus, Sattadhamani, in Kapila Muni, in whom the modes of goodness are predominant. जब कपिल मुनि का था सत्वगुण अधिकार का था प्रथम आओ किपरि तमः मोड ऑफ इग्नोरेंस तमगुण रोषमयम manifested in the form of anger क्रोध रूपरे प्रकाशित विभाव्यते can be manifested प्रकाशित ही पारे जगत पवित्र आत्मनि in he whose body can purify the whole world जहाँ कर शरीर समस्त जगत को पवित्र कर पारे हे in the sky आकाशरे रजः dust glory भुवः earthly पार्थिव न साधुवादो मुनिकोपवर्जिता नृपेन्द्रपुत्रा इति सत्त्वधामनि कथं तमो रोषमयं विभाव्यते जगत पवित्रात्मनि खेरजो भुव. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. It is sometimes admitted that the sons of King Sagara were burnt to ashes by the fire emanating from the skies of Kapila Muni. It is sometimes argued that the sons of King Sagara were burnt to ashes by the fire emanating from the eyes of Kapila Muni. This statement, however, is not approved by great learned persons, for Kapila Muni's body is completely in mode of goodness, and therefore cannot manifest the mode of ignorance in the form of anger, just as the pure sky cannot be polluted by the dust of the earth. Shloka Raudi Anubad Kahoche, Parvati Shloka, text 13. Jasirita Sankhya-mayi Drudeha Mavu Jaya Mumukhyustarati Durattayam Bhavarnavam Mrittu Patham Vipassidaha Paratulutasya Katham Prasammatihi. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Kapila Muni enunciated in this material world the Sankhya philosophy, which is a strong board, with which to cross over the ocean of nations. Indeed, a person eager to cross the ocean of material world may take shelter of this philosophy. In such a greatly learned person, situated in the elevated platform of transcendence, how can there be any distinction between enemy and friend? Shloka Raudi Anubad Kahoche, Srila Prabhupada. One who is promoted to the transcendental position, Brahmabhuta, is always jubilant, prasanata. He is unaffected by the false distinction between good and bad in the material world. Therefore, such an exalted person is sama sarvayesu bhuteshu. That is to say, he is equal to everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy, because he is on the absolute platform, free from material contamination. He is called Paramatma Bhuta or Brahma Bhuta. Kapila Muni therefore was not at all angry at the sons of Sagar Maharaj Rather, they are burnt to ashes by the heat of their own bodies. Text 14. Bhutva praninam devasita. Yes, that's the verse. Angvaiswanara bhutva praninam devasita pranapam samajukta padamyannam chaturvidam. Yes, this is the verse. The perfect teacher. I am the fire of digestion in the bodies of all living entities, and I join with the air of life of going and coming to digest the four kinds of food stuff, the fire. Krishna is the fire. I am the fire of digestion in bodies of all living. I am Vaiswanara Bhutva Praninam Devasita Pranapam Samavita Padamyanam Chaturvidam. When someone, you understand, disrespect a sadhu like Kapila Muni, the sons of Sagarmatha disrespected sons of Kapila Muni. So, that is intolerable by Krishna. Sadhu commits. Krishna cannot tolerate. So, Krishna is there in fire. In the body, with that fire, they were burnt. It's not that sadhu became angry, the fire came out from his eyes. This is not supported here. This is the opinion, isn't it? Prabhupada says, the purpose are learned persons. Hari bolo bolo re Jiva Krishna Das. Hari bolo bolo re Jiva Krishna Das. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re Sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. Mayar base jaccho bese khacho habu dubu bhai se mayar base jaccho bese khacho habu dubu bhai. Mayar base jaccho bese khacho habu dubu bhai. Mayar base jaccho bese khacho habu dubu bhai. Hari bolo bolo re mayar base. Hari bolo bolo re mayar base. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. 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 Krishna Das ei vishwas korle to ar dukho nai. Krishna Das ei vishwas korle to ar dukho nai. Hari bolo bolo re Jiva Krishna Das. 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 Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ধরবে আঁখি বলি বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ধরবে আঁখি বলে চাই। বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ধরবে আঁখি বলি বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ধরবে আঁখি বলে চাই। রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই। রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই। হরি বলো বলো কৃষ্ণ বলো বেদবে। হরি বলো বলো কৃষ্ণ বলবে যাবে। Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re Sabhai. বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ধরবে আঁখি বলি বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ধরবে আঁখি বলে চাই। হরি বলো বলো রে কৃষ্ণ বলবে যাবে। হরি বলো বলো রে কৃষ্ণ বলবে যাবে। রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই। রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই। রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো সঙ্গে চলো এই মাত্র ভিক্ষা পাই। রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো সঙ্গে চলো এই মাত্র ভিক্ষা পাই। হরি বলো বলো রে রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো। হরি বলো বলো রে Radha Krishna bolo 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 Nisavai.
Radha Krishna bolo bolo Nisavai.
Have you taken shelter of? Huh? Maya philosophy. Taken shelter of Maya philosophy, isn't it? Oh, taken shelter of Maya philosophy. Have you taken shelter of Kapila Muni's philosophy? All Maya philosophy. All are burning, therefore burning, 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 isn't it? Three tapas, Adhyatmika, Adi, Daivika, Adi, Bhautika. Huh? All are burning. Because they have taken shelter of Maya philosophy, not Kapila Muni's pure Sankhya philosophy. Huh? Isn't it? Burning. How burning? Look at her burning. Burning. Look at her burning. 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 Yes. Burning, 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 burning. Yes. This is the consequence. Indeed, a person who got to cross the ocean of material world takes part of this philosophy. So the greatly learned person, situated in a elevated platform, transcendence. How come there be any distinction between enemy and friend? Huh? Sadhu has no such distinction. He is situated in a elevated platform of transcendence. Purpose of Prabhupada said, one is promoted transcendental position, Brahma Bhuta, always jubilant. Prasanatma. Huh? He is unaffected. There is false distinction between good and bad in this material world. Therefore, such an exalted person is sama sarvesu bhuteshu. That is to say, he is equal for everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy. Because he is on the absolute platform, free from material contamination. He is called Paratma Bhuta, Brahma Bhuta. Kapila Muni therefore was not at all angry at the sons of Sakar Maharaj. Rather, they were burnt to ashes by the heat of their own bodies. Krishna is there in the form of heat. Krishna says that in 15th chapter, Bhagavad Gita. Am Vaishvanara Bhutva Prana Praninam Dengasitam Prana Prana Samadhutta Padamyanam. That was. I am there in the form of fire, the digestive fire. What is that? I am the fire of digestion in the bodies of all living entities, join the air of life, of going and coming, to digest four kinds of food stuff. Krishna is in the form of fire, digestive fire. One, to disrespect sadhu, to condemn sadhu, to speak ill of sadhu, to commit aparadha at the lotus feet of sadhu. Then sadhu tolerates tarorivo saisnuna, isn't it? Sadhu is tarorivo saisnuna. He is as tolerant as tree. Yes. So he tolerates. The Krishna cannot tolerate, Baba. Krishna cannot tolerate. Yes, sadhu tolerates. Krishna cannot tolerate. Therefore, the Sagar Putra, the sons of Sagar Maharaj, they disrespected Kapila Muni. So sadhu. They committed aparadha at lotus feet of Kapila Muni. You understand? Therefore, Krishna is there in the form of fire in their bodies. They burn to that heat. Not that Kapila Muni becomes angry. Sadhu never becomes angry. If sadhu becomes angry, is to understand that anger is also a blessing. Yes. Sadhu's anger, krodha, also blessing. Isn't it? Sadhu's anger is blessing. Yes. If you get punishment from sadhu, then you get blessings. Sadhu's danda, krupa. Sadhu's danda is krupa. Danda means punishment. Yes. If sadhu gets angry, inflicts some punishment on you, then you have gotten kripa. Yes. Narada Muni, example, Narada Muni got angry with his two brothers. Narada Kubera, Mani Griva, two sons of Kubera. They are doing nonsense. In the fire planetary system, heavenly planet. So, nasty, engaged in nasty business. Narada Muni was passing, but they didn't feel ashamed Because they are blind. They are blind. Kamandha. Kamandha. Huh? You understand? Andha. Blind. No vision. Huh? Kamandha madandha. Kamandha madandha. Understand? Kam Vijaya, Prabhu. All glory to you. Kamandha madandha. Those are very popped up. False ego is very great. They are one sort of blind men. Andha. And Kamandha, those are very lusty person. Lusty, too much lust. They are blind men. Kamandha, madandha. So these Kubera Putra, two sons of Kubera Manigriva, Naro Kubera, they were Kamandha, isn't it? They lusty, shamelessly doing this lusty activities, sexual activities, becoming naked, Narada Muni, in the earth resistance. Even on the planet, Narada Muni is passing, couldn't feel the sun because they are blind. Blind. So Narada Muni got angry. Hey, what are you doing here? Coming here, what are you doing? Nonsense. Such a nonsense. Rascal, you do not deserve to stay here. Do not deserve to stay in this higher planetary system. Go down. Stay in the spaces of our consciousness, our Juni, that tree mountain. Go! Remain in the spaces of our consciousness, in spaces of trees and mountains. That's anger. But this is blessing. Because sadhu is samadasana. Sama sarveshu bhuteshu. Prasanna atma brahmabhuta prasanna atmana is unaffected by the first distinction between good and bad in material world. Therefore, such an exalted person is sama sarveshu bhuteshu. That is to say, he is equal to everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy. He has no enemy. Ajata satrava. Who has developed equal vision, no distinction, where is the enemy? He sees Atma. Jiver Swarupa hoy Krishna Nitya Das. He is one who sees Atma. Oh, he is Krishna Das. Oh, he is Krishna Das. He is Krishna Das. Krishna Das. He is Sama. Equal. But it is distinction. Sadhu's vision, no distinction. Equal to everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy, because he is on the absolute platform, free from material contamination. He is called Paratma Bhuta or Brahma Bhuta. Kapila Muni therefore was not at all angry at the sons of Sagar Maharaj. Rather, they were burnt to ashes by the heat of their own bodies. And the heat, the fire, which Krishna says, I am in the fire in the digestion. That's digesting fire, isn't it? Krishna cannot tolerate. The sadhu never becomes angry. Apparent. It is apparent. Sadhu becomes angry. And that is blessing. That is blessing. Yes. If sadhu becomes angry, sadhu inflicts some punishment on you, then that is blessing. Unless you get punishment from sadhu, your bhakti vruti cannot be manifested. Do you understand? Yes. You can't become Vaishnava at all. Yes. Unless you get punishment from sadhu. Guru karna dharan, therefore, Guru has a right. Hey, rascal, stop, thapad marenge. Karna dhara. Karna means ear. One of the meanings of karna, ear. Karna dhara and also steering holder. They can shelter of Guru, then Guru karna dharan. Nudeha madhyam sulabham sulabham prabham sukalpam Guru karna dharam. Isn't it? Guru Karnadharam, steering holder, this boat. This body is a boat to cross, a very good boat. It is available to you, available to you, available to you, available to you, available. Huh? Very good boat. Huh? To cross this ocean of nations, Avidya Sagara, Bhava Sagara, dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. Very good boat. And Guru, navigator, must place such expert navigator on this boat. Otherwise, how the boat will go? Anantadas, drown in the middle ocean, drown. Yes, no navigator. So Guru Karnadhara, so one has accepted, bona fide Guru has placed that navigator in the boat, the Guru steering holder. So this boat cannot go hither and thither. Steering holder, Baba, Guru Karnadhara. Another word, Guru Karnadhara, Guru means, is Guru, is heavy, is not light. Yes, is heavy. Sishya means under discipline. Sishyateham sadhimantam prapannam. I become your Sishya. Sishya means I come under strict discipline. Who is there to inflict discipline on you? Who is there to catch hold over here and slap you? Nobody. I am my Guru. I am my Guru. Yeah, my Guru. I am my Guru. Nobody there, isn't it? No. I am my Guru. What my stupid mind says, my stupid mind is my Guru. Stupid mind is Guru, isn't it? Yes. Stupid mind is Guru. A stupid mind says, I do. Nobody is there to catch hold over here and slap you. That's Guru's business. Yes, that's Guru's business. You understand? And that is his mercy. You should understand. That is mercy. Sishyateham sadhimanam tam prapannam. I completely surrender unto you. I become a Sishya, disciple. That means I come under strict discipline. Please inflict discipline on me. Catch hold of my ear and slap me. Otherwise how? The discipline is not inflicted. Now how? To develop complete crystal consciousness. No question at all. We cannot develop crystal consciousness. Covered up. Very thick layer is there, covering layer, that is Maya. Maya is covering layer, very thick layer. How it will be lifted? Who can lift it? Guru can do it. That's Guru's business. He will lift. Because you are Krishna Das. Jiver Swarupa Hoy Krishnir Nitya Das. That is your Swarup. Guru sees, Sadhu Guru sees this thing. Therefore, equal vision. Oh, he is Krishna Das, he sees the Swarup, Atma. Never sees outer body. But he is under influence of Maya. Dense darkness, groping in dense darkness, Ajnana Andhakar. Maya hoy Andhakar. Maya is darkness. Ajnana Andhakar. Ignorance is darkness. Maya, ignorance, the darkness is covered up with the dense darkness. That Guru sees. But he is Vishnulasa, he is Jiva. So he is equal vision. Sama sarvesu bhutesu. That is what you should understand. So, let me help him. Let me remove this covering, dense darkness. Let me bring him to the light. It is his mercy. It is Guru's mercy. His heart bleeds. Sadhu Guru's heart bleeds, seeing the suffering of the Jiva. Why Jiva is suffering? Because of this ignorance. Ignorance is the cause of suffering, isn't it? My Guru Maharaj says repeatedly, ignorance is the cause of suffering. Yes, Guru sees it, he has vision. But the ignorance is suffering. is under dense darkness, ignorance, very dense darkness. Let me remove this darkness, this very thick layer of, what is that? Maya. Ignorance is there. Let me remove it. That is Guru's duty. Guru can do it. Otherwise, how can you see? How can you come to the path of Krishna consciousness without Guru's blessing, mercy, without Guru's discipline, without Guru's punishment? Vaidya, sadhu Vaidya. Sadhu is a Vaidya, physician, doctor Baba. Sadhu is a Vaidya, sadhu Vaidya. Bhramite bhramite jodi sadhu Vaidya paay, sadhur upadesh rakhe maya pisachi palay. Do you understand? Bhramite bhramite jodi sadhu Vaidya paay, sadhur upadesh rakhe maya pisachi palay. Do you understand? Wandering in lots of spaces, lots of Brahmandas. Someone is fortunate. Bhagyavana jiva. Brahmanda bhamite kono bhagyavana jiva. Bhamite jadi sadhu vaidya pai. Wandering lots of spaces of life and all. Lots of Brahmandas fortunately gets a such physician, a sadhu. Sadhu vaidya. Do you understand? A sadhu is a physician. Do you understand? He fortunately gets and comes to sadhu, vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshyanti te jnana jnanina tattvadarshina. Isn't it? Jnanina tattvadarshina. Siyasati true. Adya jnana tattva pradeya Brajendra Kumar. Brajendra Kumar, son of Nanda Maharaj, is absolute true. Who is the seer? Who sees. Sadhu sees always. Sadhu always sees. Krishna sees that sadhu. Sadhu sees Krishna always. Isn't it? Jaman pasati sarvatra sarvanta mai pasati tasyam na pranasyami. Satsami na pranasyati. One sees me everywhere, sees everything in me. He is not out of my sight, I am not out of his sight. That is Tattvadarshina. Tattvadarshi Guru, who sees the absolute truth, who sees the Swarup. He sees his Swarup is Krishna Das, but he is under dense darkness, great thick layer of dense darkness. Maya's avaram is there. He sees it. Unless it is lifted, he cannot develop. Proper vision, he cannot develop Krishna consciousness. He cannot be situated in his constitutional position. So, therefore he is suffering. He has been suffering after ignorance. Sadhu's mercy, Sadhu's the physician, Bhamite. Fortunately, if someone gets a sadhu, surrenders unto him, serves him, leases him, and inquiry, humble inquiry is there, and he passes. He comes under his discipline, becomes the Shishya, sadhu into discipline, then imparts Tattva Jnana, gets mercy, then that thick layer of ignorance, Maya, is lifted. You understand? Sadhu like a doctor has knife in his hand. Yes, knife. Operation required, operation. Operation required, Baba. Cut. Operation required. Thick layer. Cut track is there. Covering, cannot see. Grouping in dark. So, all right, knife is needed, operation required. Sadhu Vaidya. Cut off. Sadhu upadesha vakya maya pisachi palay. Sadhu's words are knife, like sharp arrows. Sadhu's words. Yes. So, blessing, full of blessings. They cut off. The knot of ignorance. Maya, cut off. Finish. Maya pisachi, Maya the witch. Please away. No more. Then good vision sight. Oh yeah, Krishna is there. Oh, all attractive. Then he is attracted towards Krishna, no more Maya. Huh? Krishna pane chai, kenava bhojilu Maya kore hai. At that stage, alas, 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 I have done Maya bhojon so many lakhs of life. Oh Krishna, then he cries. Maya ko pichone rakhi Krishna pane chai. Gets us mercy of Guru. Vision, eyes opened. Then sees the beautiful Shyama Sundara. Oh, so attractive, Shyam Sundar. So ugly which Maya. Get out! Maya ko pichone rakhi Krishna pane rai. Then he pushes back Maya. Get out, Maya. Not looking again. Why looking again? Shut! No more looking to Maya. See, beautiful public Krishna. Guru points out. See? Prabhupada. See? No more looking back. Finished. That is good. Maya ko pichane rakhi Krishna pane chai. Bhajite Krishna pada padgopa. Then he is engaged in bhajan under the guidance of Guru, then goes to approaches. Lotus feet of Krishna. Yes, Guru. So this Guru's discipline, Guru's anger, Guru's slapping, there his mercy, blesses. He doesn't become angry at all. Guru never, sadhu never becomes angry. His anger is apparent only, and that is his blessing. Narada Muni's anger, blessing. Therefore, they got the lotus feet of Krishna, Nalakubera, Manigriva. They remained in that spaces for 36,000 years. But they remained in that form in the courtyard of Nanda Maharaj Baba, not in African jungle. Not in African jungle. Man in the form of Arjuna tree, courtyard of Nanda Maharaj, that is Narada Muni's blessing, kripa, mercy. If they would have undergone 36,000 of life, still no possibility of seeing Krishna, getting touch of Krishna. But in one life, though 36,000 years, one life they got. This sadhu's mercy, sadhu's anger is danda, punishment is mercy. Yes, you should understand this. But sadhu never gets angry, therefore. You may disrespect sadhu, you may condemn sadhu, speak ill of sadhu. You may develop enmity towards the sadhu. But sadhu has no enmity. Sadhu has no enmity. And Kapila Deva has said, that we are saying from her kind to Srimad Bhagavatam, to Mother Devahuti, Tirikhyavakarulika Suhuda Sarvadehinam Adata Satrava Santa Sadhava Sadhu Bhushana Vajjanannena Bhavena Bhakti Guru Bhamti Yeduram Matkruti Tekta Karmano Stekta Sudanavandava Madasvayaka Hamrusta Sunanti Kabhayanti Ja Tapanti Vividhastapa Maitana Matagata Chetasa Toyite Sadhava Sadhi Sarvasanga Vivardhita Sangaste Sotate Prapcham Sangadu Soharaite. He says, Kapila says, symptoms of sadhu. Tatastha lakkhana, swarupa lakkhana. Understand? Two symptoms. Tatastha lakkhana, swarupa lakkhana. Swarupa lakkhana means chief symptom, mukhya lakkhana. What is swarup? Real. And tatastha, marginal symptoms. Secondary, gauna lakkhana. Tatastha lakkhana first said, they are titikshavo, karunika, sruda sarvadehina. Titikshava means they are tolerant as tree. Taroriva saisuna. You understand? Taroriva saisuna. They are as tolerant as tree. The Mahaprabhu's instruction. Pranada visanidina, taroriva saisuna, vanina manalina, kirtaniya sadahari. You understand? Unless you develop this mood, think yourself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. Huh? Be as tolerant as tree. Huh? If you cut the tree into pieces, burn to ashes, it tolerates, never objects. Huh? Any objection? No, no objection. Cut into pieces, burn into ashes, tolerates. That's how it is like that. Or Oriva says, how can one develop such power of tolerance? Because they are always engaged in Hari Bhajan. They are always engaged in Hari Bhajan. You understand? Those who are engaged in Hari Bhajan, this power of tolerance develops. Otherwise, they are not engaged. They cannot tolerate. If some word you say to Lari, what have you said? So that's intolerance. One word cannot tolerate. How to say that cut into pieces, burn into ashes? Karoriva Saisnuna. He has tolerant as tree. This is sadhu lakshana. This is tatastha lakshana. This is marginal symptom, not swarup lakshana. And this is marginal symptom. Because Hari Kirtan, they are engaged in Hari Kirtan, therefore they are as tolerant as tree. Then Sruhuda Sarvadehinam. You understand? Sruhuda Sarvadehinam. They are friend to one and all. Sruhuda. Well-wishing friend, always wishing, desiring, well, no evil. You understand? Nitya Mangala Vidhata, eternal, well-wishers. They see what? Now, Adata Satrava Santa Sadhava Sadhubhusana. Directly and indirectly, Annaya Vedgireva. Directly and indirectly, they see all the jivas as sevaka, Krishna dasa. Jiver swarupa hoy, Krishna Nityadas, Mahaprabhu. What is swarup? What is your swarup? You are eternal servant of Krishna. That is swarup. You have forgotten it. You cannot see because thick layer of ignorance, Maya is there. But sadhu see, directly or indirectly, sadhu sees this thing. That he is Krishna Das, Krishna Sevak. Therefore, how he will be enemy? Odata Sattva. Krishna is my most beloved. He is his servant. How will be my enemy? Bola, where is enmity? Where is enmity? Where is enmity? Who sees Swarup? Oh, he is Krishna Das. He is Krishna Das, he is servant of Krishna. So, Krishna, who is my most beloved, object of love, how will be enemy? Odata Sattva, there is no enemy. Sadhu has no enemy. That he said. Then, Sadhava Sadhu Bhusana Santaha, they are always peaceful, always blissful. Niskama, they have no desire, no material desire. Bhavatad Bhakti Rahetu Gidvai. Nandanam sundarim kapitamba jagadisha kamaye mama janmani janmanisware bhavatad bhakti rahet vidvai. This is niskama, desireless. I have no desire for material wealth. Dhanam, janam, no desire for followers. Sundari kavita, nandanam, no sundari kavita, no desire for a beautiful woman to enjoy. You have that desire. Yes, nasty desire. Nasty desire. Nasty desire. So, speed like stone. Stone. You want stone? Go. Become a heart. Eat stone. God. Live in the spaces of heart. Eat stone. Yes, that's your destination. It becomes hot. That's your destination. It becomes hot. It's true because you also desire. Yes, just know yourself desire. So it's true. Alive, become hot. It's true. Yes. You want that? No. Only from lip service. He said, yes, yes. And the heart says yes. Listen, no. Krishna knows the heart, Baba. Krishna knows you are whispering in the heart. You never listen what you say from the lips. Don't cheat Krishna. You cannot cheat Krishna. Krishna says, I am the supreme cheater. Vikam Salayatang Asmi. If you want to cheat me, Sachidananda, I am supreme cheater. You cannot cheat me. Ananta, you cannot cheat me. I am supreme cheater. Trying to cheat Krishna. Huh? He is supreme cheater, Baba. He is supreme in all respects. So, no enemy. They are niskama, desireless. Bhavakal bhakti rahet with only one desire. Life after life, I will serve your lotus feet and give you a pleasure. Nothing for myself. Adev Santo. Therefore they are peaceful, blissful, peaceful. Sadhu Bhusana, they follow the Shastra. Tasma Shastra Pramanam, the Shastra says, they, Shastra Sasdhatu. Do you understand Sanskrit? Shastra Sasdhatu, Shishya Sasdhatu, verbal root, Satu. From that verbal root the word is framed. Shastra word is framed out of Sas, Shishya word is framed out of Sas. Sas means Sasana, ruling. Discipline. Yes. Shastra Sasan. You understand? Guru means discipline. The Shastra Sasan, Guru Sasan. Shastra inflicts discipline, Guru inflicts discipline. Both inflict discipline, therefore Shastra and Shishya. Shastra is Shastra. Shastra is the weapon. You understand? Sango Pangastra Parsodam. Jagyi Sankirtan Prahi Jaganti Sumedhata. Krishna Varnam Tuisa Krishnam. Sanga Pangastra Parsodam. Jagyi Sankirtan Prahi Jaganti Sumedhata. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What is his weapon?
Sankirtan.
The weapon is Shastra. Bhagavata Shastra. Hari Sankirtan. That is his weapon. No. Bow, arrow, sword, Sudarshan Chakra, no. In all other incarnations, he has weapons. And he cut throat the throat of the demons. All other incarnations, but Gauravatar never cuts the throat. Any demon, no weapon. His weapon is Shastra and Hari Sankirtan. The Shastra is weapon. Sadhu weapon is Shastra. Do you understand? Yes, that is Shastra. Therefore he said, that is Bhusana, that is the Sadhu Bhusana. Bhusana means Alankar, ornament. He is expert, he knows Shastra, Shastra, Tattva, Shastra Anuvarti, Sushilata, very sober, and they have this weapon, they know the purport of Shastra, they use it, through that they inflict discipline. Therefore, they are there. Ornaments, this is Tatastha Lakshana of a sadhu. Swarupa Lakshana. Swarupa Lakshana says, Madanannina bhavena bhakti kuruvanti jedurham matkrute tekta karmana stekta sudanavannava rashraya kathamrusta sunanti kathayanti cha tapanti vidhastapa naitana madagata jedada toite sadhavo. They are sadhus. Where you will find such symptoms, this Swarupa Lakshana. Kapila says, what is that? They know me. They know me, know Supreme Lord. Kapila Supreme Lord. They know me, that I am the only one-pointed, not multi-pointed. Why are you developing multi-pointed? Antadas. One point Maya, one point Guru. Multi-point. Why multi-point? Why multi-point? One point to Maya, then Gurudev says another point is towards Guru. It's multi-pointed. It is not unalloyed devotion. Unalloyed means one-pointed. Understand my words? Prema Bhakti Chandrika, Narottam Das Thakur has said, develop one-pointed. नैष्ठिक भजन ही तारे कहलु भाई हनुमान ताहाते प्रमाण। अंडरस्टैंड? नैष्ठिक भजन ही इसे सकल संताप जावे परानंद सुख पावे। प्रेम भक्ति परम कारण। You know, free from all miseries, all lamentations, all fears. It will develop para bhakti, prema bhakti, parananda sukha. You get supreme blissfulness, supreme enjoyment. Prema bhakti. आपन भजन पथ ताबे अनुगत इष्ट देव स्थाने लीला गान। नैष्ठिक भजन ही तुम्हारे कहलु भाई हनुमान ताहाते प्रमाण। नर्तन दास ठाकुर प्रेम भक्ति चंद्रिका says it's very deep purport. Just I am in course of reference I just tell you this thing. What is your Ishta? Ishta is Krishna. Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan. This is Ishta. Understand my language? Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan. This is Ishta. Ishta means I want this. Only requirement. Understand? Only requirement. Goal. Only goal. That is Ishta. Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan. Understand? Understand? Narottam Das Thakur says, this is Ishta. This is my goal. This is only requirement. That's it. Ishta Deva Sthane Lilagana. You should sing such songs, you speak such katha that will please your Ishta. Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan. Not Maya, not your own senses. Yeah. Oh, your face is so nice. Your smiling is so nice. Your gesture is so nice. Tadham priyaya anukampitaya sangam rahasansam ruziransa mantra sustu sasneho siddhu parakharanam. Bharat, I will say, Prahlad Maharaj says, Prahlad Maharaj Varsa, isn't it? Mahadev Prahlad Maharaj. Oh, my wife's face is so beautiful, laughing is so beautiful. Isn't it always coming to my eyes? I cannot see Krishna. Do you see Krishna Anantadev? No. Only mind is there. What place? Mind is there, eye is there, sing there thing. Are Baba. Pratham priyaya anukampitaya sangam rahasansam ruziransa mantra. Oh, my dear wife, how can I forget this thing? Such nice smiling, such nice speaking, such nice gestures, postures. All this in my vision. Wherever I look, I see. Ore Baba! How can I forget all these things and come to the Krishna Bhajan? Sadhu Guru says, give up sadhu, go to Maya, go. We have kids to finish. That's the destination. Lari. Mahajana says, Lord Maharaj Mahajan, Narottam Das Thakur Mahajan, Sadhu says, these words are like a knife. Cutting, very sharp razor, isn't it? Cutting. Words of Sadhu is so sharp razor. Are Baba is cutting. अपना भजन पथ पाए एवं इष्ट देव स्थान लीलागा नैष्ठिक भजन ही तुम्हारे कहलु भाई हनुमान ताहाते Who is your Ishta? Who is your Ishta? Who?
Bhakti Bhagavan.
Yes, Bhagavan, that is Ishta. Bhagavan, he has many forms. Do you understand? To which form you are attracted? Ananta Rupa, isn't it? Achyutam Anantam. Ananta Rupam Adyam Puran Purusam Navadauvanam Cha. Ananta Rupa, unlimited forms. Supreme Lord has unlimited forms. So, to which form you are attracted? Which form? Shyama Sundara. Shyama Sundara. Krishna Shyama Sundara. All beautiful Shyama Sundara. Trivanga Thani. 3 places cooked fruit in hand. Peacock feather. Parapatan so. Shyama Trivanga Lalitam. Isn't it? That is my story. I want to see that part. No other part. Though he has unlimited form. So, Naistika Bhajana is Tumare going to buy. Hanumana Tahate Pramana. Not from Das Thakur says, Hanuman has one-pointed, not multi-pointed. Then comes, you have come to the Bhajan Patha. So, Supreme Lord has unlimited forms. But to which form you are attracted? That is Swarup Siddhi. What Swarup you want? What is your rasa, mellow? And that form you want, isn't it? Was mellow is Sakhya, Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. Do you understand? Santa, Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. 5 main mellows. One of the mellows is Mahaprabhu's line. Santa is discarded. No Santa. Sari Bhava Bhakti Dhyana Acha Bhuvana. 4 rasas. Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. Mahaprabhu gives. So which that, what is your mellow? Then that form you are attracted to that form. According to Rasa Samandha. So you want to see that form. This is one-pointed, unalloyed devotion, not multi-pointed. Do you understand? Not multi-pointed. One is Krishna Bhakta, is attracted to beautiful form, same Sundar. The Ram Bhakta, he wants to see the beautiful form of Lord Ram. So Hanuman Tahate Praman. Hanuman is example. Hanuman doesn't want to see Krishna Bhakta. Hanuman wants to see Ram Bhakta. He is dear devotee of Ram. Then therefore says, then goes, Sinathe Janakinaathe Abhedo Paramatmani Tathapi Mama Sarvasya Rama Kamalalochana. This is Hanuman's words. He knows, he is sadhu. Sadhu knows everything. He knows Supreme Lord, Absolute Truth, he knows everything. Jasmin Vijnata Sarvam Eva Vijnatam Bhavati. Isn't it? Knowing whom everything is known. Don't you understand? Knowing whom everything is known. Knowing the Absolute Truth knows everything. Hanuman is a sadhu, great sadhu. He knows. He says, Srinathe Janakinathe Abheda Paramatmani Tathapi Mama Sarvasya Rama Kamalalochana. I know there is no difference between Srinatha and Janakinath. Understand? Ram Vijay Prabhu. Srinatha means husband of Lakshmi. Srinatha. Janakinath, husband of Janaki, Sita Devi. There is no difference between Srinatha and Sitanatha. Understand? Janakinath, I know, Abheda. There is no difference. Paramatma. Do you understand? But Mama Sarvasya Rama Rajibol Kamalalochana. My heart, in my heart, my vision is fixed at Rama, lotus-eyed Ram, not Janakinath, and not Srinatha. Though there is no difference. Understand? This is Amalaya devotion. Ekanistha. Ekanistha bhakti, Aikantika bhakti. Aikantika bhakti, say Aikantika bhakti of Abhicharini bhakti. Bhakti of Abhicharini. Do you understand? That is bhakti of Abhicharini. That is, he says. So you should your vision should be fixed on your Ishta, that form of the Lord. You are attracted. Though Lord has unlimited forms. Understand? This is Naistika Bhajana. This is Surga Lakshana of sadhu. They know me, the only object of bhajan, only object of love. They have developed one-pointed devotion towards me. They have given up everything. Sarva dharmana parijyajya mame kausarvam. given up all varieties of dharma, just have surrendered unto me. Tekta sujanamandhavaha, they have given up their all family ties, family members, kith and kin, relatives, sarvasva, everything, they have given up. They are always engaged in hearing my nectarian sweet katha and talking, discussing among themselves. Do you understand? Sravana Kirtana, hearing and chanting. They are engaged, they are madagata chitta, manmanabhava, manmanabhava, they are always, their thought, their mind is fixed with me. No other thought in their mind, only I am there. Madgata chitta. Therefore, they are never afflicted with three tapas, adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika, never affected. And there are four purusarthas, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, but they are kicked. They are kicked of these four purusarthas. You understand? Because they have no desire for this dharma, artha, kama or moksha. No desire. They are desireless. Bhavata bhakti. Only they desire to serve me, give me all pleasure. This is Swarup Lakshana of sadhu. You understand? This is Swarup Lakshana. Chief symptom. Real symptom of sadhu. Understand? This is Swarup Lakshana. Others first say that is Tatastha Lakshana. Marginal symptoms are second is Gauna Lakshana. Therefore, these are sadhu. So mother, you should associate with sadhu. That sadhu sangha is required for you. Because by sadhu sangha, hearing from sadhu, getting punishment from sadhu, that is blessing. Therefore, all your material desires, anything bad you give up, that will completely destroy. Otherwise, no possibility. So, those who are always engaged, rendering loving service to Lord Hari, always engaged in giving pleasure to the senses of Lord Hari. You understand? They are Harijana. They are the men of Lord Hari. One man of Hari, Harijana. So they see those who are Harijana, those who are men of Lord Hari, they are their friends. Isn't it? And they see the Swarup of Jiva. Jiva Swarupa hai Krishna Nityada. They have such vision. He is Krishna's servant, Harijana. So how there will be enmity? He is my friend. Do you understand? Alaka Satrava. He has no enemy. Even the enemy has not burned. He is not burned. That is it. Therefore, they are never affected by three tapas. Adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. Kaya, manavakya, completely surrender, body, mind, speech and soul. Completely surrender at the lotus feet of Krishna. All is engaged in loving service to Krishna, giving him pleasure. They are as tolerant as tree. They never develop any enmity towards any living entity. Because they see his soul, he is Sevaka, he is the servant of Krishna, who is my most beloved, who is my Ishta, Lord. So he is my friend, he is not enemy. The Raja Sutra. Nirmatsara, they are not envious to anybody, they are Nirmatsara. This is sadhu. Oh mother, you should have the Asyasa sadhu. The one who comes personally to the Asyasa sadhu, hears from him with humble attitude, surrendering unto the lotus feet of sadhu, humble attitude to hear with full faith, access it with full faith, putting full faith in the words of sadhu, and gets the mercy of sadhu. Then is idor chinta, then is other desires for own sense gratification, idor sangha, idor other association, or other desires will be completely cut off, completely destroyed. Sadhu can do it. Sadhu has that weapon in his hand, so he can do it. this is Atma Dharma, then you will come to this constitutional position, you develop Atma Dharma. You understand? Dharma of the soul. Atma Dharma means Dharma of the soul. What is Dharma of the soul? Dharma of the soul is to become Krishna Dasa. Dharma of the soul is Krishna Dasya. To become the servant of Krishna. That is Dharma of the soul. Soul is the eternal servant of Krishna. Jiver Swarupa hoy Krishna Nityada. That is Atma Dharma. Every vastu has its dharma, isn't it? Huh? That everything, vastu means thing, matter. Not matter is not correct. English what? Bhasha, language, nasty. Vastu. Vastu, supreme reality is Krishna. You understand? Every vastu has its dharma. Body is a vastu, mind is a vastu, soul is a vastu. Understand? The body has its dharma, mind has its dharma, soul has its dharma. You understand? So soul's dharma, Atma Dharma. Dharma of the soul is to become the servant of Krishna. That is Atma Dharma. Krishna said. The dharma of the body is sense gratification. Dharma of the body is sense gratification. Do you understand? Indriya Toshana. Deha dharma. Do you understand? Ram Vijay Prabhu, Antala. Are my words entering into your ears? No. No, not entering. Isn't it? His friend knows. Your friend, Murali Krishna. Not entering. Not entering into the words of Ananta Das. Entering? If by chance enters, goes out by this year. Enters with this year, goes out by this year. Not good. Deep to the heart. Entering? No. Oh. Srivijasya manahrutam. Ki vidyaya tapasamunena tyagena viviktena va. Srivijasya manahrutam. Lord Krishna says to Uddhava, Ki vidyaya tapasya tyagena maunena viviktena va. Srivijasya manahrutam. His mind is occupied with the thought of a woman. Mind is occupied with the thought of a woman. Srivijasya manahrutam. Woman has taken away his mind. Woman has taken away his mind. Manahrutam, stolen. Mind is stolen by a woman, isn't it? Yes, his mind is stolen by a woman. Srivijasya manahrutam. Ki vidyaya tapasya viviktena. Ki vidyaya tapasya tapasya maunena viviktena va. What is the value of his education? What is the value of his tapasya? What is the value of his Shastra Shravan, hearing Shastra? Shastra Adhyayan, Vedic study. What is the value of staying in a temple, vivikta in a solitary place? Useless, no value. Srivijasya manahrutam. His mind is stolen by a woman. So, sadhu's words cannot enter into his ears, Baba. His mind is stolen by woman. Though he may be here in a temple, sitting, posing, pretending, just pretending I am hearing, not hearing. Sadhu's words are not entering into the ears of such a person whose mind is stolen by a woman. Finish. Understand? So, the Sadhu says, that Kapila says, he says, he has no enemy, Sadhu has no enemy, he is his soul, Priti Dharma, soul's Dharma, to become Krishna Das. That is Atma Dharma. Mana Dharma or Priti Dharma. Atma Dharma is Priti Dharma. Understand?
Love.
Try to understand, Baba. Atma Dharma is Priti Dharma. Mana Dharma is Apriti Dharma. Dharma of the soul, Atma Dharma is based on love. Priti Dharma. Do you understand? Understand my language? Priti is based on the love. Krishna Prema, Krishna Priti, Bhagavad Prema. Bhagavad Prema, Bhagavad Priti, that's Atma Dharma. Is Bhagavad Das. Mana Dharma, mental speculation. Do you understand? Mana Dharma, Dharma of the mind, Sankalapa, Vikalapa. Accepting, rejection. Acceptance, rejection. He accepts something, I reject something. Oh, this is not good for me. I reject. Oh, this is very good, so I accept. This is Mana Dharma. The Mana Dharma is Apriti Dharma. There is no love. It is Apriti. Understand? Atma Dharma is the Priti Dharma. Understand my language? Atma Dharma is the Priti Dharma. Dharma based on love. Mana Dharma, mental speculation, is Apriti Dharma. There is no love. Do you understand? It is Apriti Dharma. So, we have, Jiva has perfect eternal loving relationship with Krishna. That is Atma Dharma. Do you understand? So, all the Jivas, they are Swarupata, constitutionally, Swarup, they are Krishna Bhakta. They are servants of the Lord. Sadhu sees this thing. Sadhu knows the constitutional Swarupa of Jiva. Yes, he is Krishna Bhakta. Jiva Krishna Das. If someone can understand this thing, understands theoretically, he understands it theoretically, isn't it? You understand it theoretically. You understand it theoretically. He understands it theoretically. All understand it theoretically. Not practically. Not in truth, tattva. Understand my language? But one who understands practically, understands in tattva, Jiva Nitya Krishna Das, then there will be no problem at all. Do you understand? There will be no problem at all, though this material plane is full of problems, full of difficulties, full of inconveniences, full of suffering, full of obstacles, impediments, nasty platform. But one who understands this thing, Jiva Swarup, or the Swarup of Jiva is Krishna Das. Isn't it? One understands in tattva, practically, then there is no problem for him in this material world. That is said. Unusudda. You understand? He understands the Swarup. He realizes self-realization. That we are singing, that song. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai. Sikha diya sadhana diya piche niche gaur nitaye. Sikha diya sadhana diya piche niche gaur nitaye. Hari bolo bolo re yehi sikha diya. Hari bolo bolo. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai. Mayar base ratso vese khatso habu rubu bhai. 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 Hari bolo bolo re mayar base. Hari bolo bolo re mayar base. Hari bolo bolo re bhai mayar base. Hari bolo bolo re bhai mayar base. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai. Krishna Das यही विश्वास कर ले तो हार दुख नहीं। Krishna Das यही विश्वास कर ले तो
নাই
কৃষ্ণ দাস এই বিশ্বাস করলে তো আর দুঃখ নাই
শ্রী কৃষ্ণ দাস হয়ে বিশ্বাস করলে তো আর দুঃখ নাই
হরি বলো বলো রে জীব কৃষ্ণ দাস
হরি বলো রে কৃষ্ণ দাস
হরি বলো বলো রে জীব কৃষ্ণ দাস
হরি বলো রে শিব কৃষ্ণ দাস
রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই
রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো রে সবাই
রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই
রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো রে সবাই
হরি বলো বলো রে জীব কৃষ্ণ দাস
হরি বলো রে শিব কৃষ্ণ দাস
Bhaktivinoda Thakur, seventh Goswami, is known as seventh Goswami. After 6 Goswamis, he writes very nice songs, Mahajana Vakya. You sing it and you understand it. It is very nice, simple words, simple songs, so sweet, so nice, and is what is that? Impregnated with such deep tattva here. All tattva is here. মিছে মায়ার বসে যাচ্ছ বেশে খাচ্ছ হাবুডু ভাই ও মাই ব্রাদার drowning, you have been drowning this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence being, what you say, pushed by the waves of Maya. Maya bose, isn't it? The waves of Maya. Sabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Understand my language? 5 objects of sense enjoyment. It's a Pancha Tanmatra. Sabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Sound, touch, form, taste, smell, odor. These are 5 objects of sense enjoyment. They come like waves, isn't it? In this ocean, in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, you have been drowning from time immemorial, and these are like waves coming to you. Waves are coming, dashing and shaking you, taking away. Isn't it? Mayar bose, ratso bhese. Katso habudubu, oh my brother. Adhan Sadhu says, oh my brother. You are floating now in the waves of Maya. These waves, very strong waves, currents coming and dashing and you are pushed away by the waves of Maya and have been drowning here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. I am your friend, well-wishing friend, Sadhu. I say, Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabhai. Hari bolo re sikha diya. Hari bolo re sikha diya. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo re sabhai. All chant Radha Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh my brothers, Radha Krishna, bol. Jiva Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aap dukh nai. Jiva Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aap dukh nai. Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aap dukh nai. Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aap dukh nai. Hari bolo bolo re, Jiva Krishna das. 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 Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai. Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabhai. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Maharaj, Jiva Krishna das ei vishwas karle to aap dukh nai. If you can put faith in this word, Jiva Krishna das. Jiva is eternally servant of Krishna. A servant of Krishna, if you can put unflinching faith in it, then there is no suffering for you. No suffering for you. No suffering for you. No tossing in the waves of Maya. Understand? No tossing in the waves of Maya. Jiva Krishna das, aap dukh nai. হরি বল বল রে জীব কৃষ্ণ দাস,
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 রাধা কৃষ্ণ বল 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 রে সবাই,
রাধা কৃষ্ণ বল বল রে সবাই।
Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, chant Hari and a full faith, unflinching faith that in Tattva Jiva Krishna Das. I am servant of Krishna. Where become Maya Das? Amanta Das. It is not Amanta Das, it is Maya Das. Maya Pisachi Das. Yeah, new name, Maya Pisachi Das. Servant of Maya the witch. No, Ananta Das, don't go with this name.
Maya Pisachi Das.
Yes, Maya Pisachi Das. Larry, Maya Pisachi Das. Achyutananda know this name, Maya Pisachi Das. All Maya Pisachi Das. Yes, no Krishna Das, no Ananta Das, no Achyutananda Das, Maya Pisachi Das. Yes, this name, new name. Alright? Very good name, isn't it? Befitting name, isn't it? You don't support me? Nobody supports me. Befitting name, Maya Pisachi Das, isn't it?
Yes.
You support?
Yes.
Yes, you support. Advaitacharya Prabhu came before Mahaprabhu's coming. He saw, oh, Jivas are suffering. Jivas of college was suffering, so much suffering. And he couldn't tolerate. Then, every day, thundering voice, worship Salagram Svira, Gangeswara and Tulsi, calling Mahaprabhu to come down. Isn't it? And he took this promise. I promise, if I cannot bring Mahaprabhu down here, I won't go by this name of Advaitacharya. I won't go. This name I'll give up. Yes. Isn't it? Take this vow, promise. Unless I become Krishna Das, I won't go by the name Ananta Das. I won't go by the name of Stananda Das. I am Maya Pisachi Das. Isn't it? Understand? Is all right? Then he used to have that promise. Oh, so say, devotee. Dear devotee, pure devotee can take such promise. Oh, then Krishna comes along. Therefore, he says, Jiva Krishna Das, ei vishwasa karle to har dukh nahi. Hari bolo bolo re Jiva Krishna Das. If you have unflinching faith and Krishna Das, Jiva is eternal, Krishna Das, then no suffering at all, no problem at all. If you have no faith, then problem is there, suffering is there. Then you are becoming Maya Das, Maya Pisachi Das, not Krishna Das. Then what will happen when you develop unflinching faith, fixed now, this faith unflinching, hearing from sadhu, putting strong unflinching words of sadhu, these things, then there is no problem. Then he will be engaged in Krishna bhajan under guidance of Guru. Then what will happen? Krishna bolbe jabe pulak hobe jharbe aankhi boli tai bolbe jabe bolbe jabe pulak hobe jharbe aankhi boli tai bolbe jabe pulak hobe jharbe aankhi boli tai hari bolo bolo re Krishna bolbe jabe hari bolo bolo re hari bolo bolo re Krishna bolbe jabe Krishna bolo 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 re sabai.
Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai.
Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai.
Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai.
Then this will be the result, this will be the consequence, outcome. When someone has this unflinching faith in this Krishna Das, Jiva Krishna Das, Jiva is eternal servant of Krishna, he is fixed in that. Unflinching is not unshakable, cannot be shaken by the waves of Maya. Waves of Maya cannot be shaken. He is fixed in that faith, hearing from sadhu, he is fixed. So, what will happen? He will never look at Maya. Look at Krishna and engage himself. Loving service of Krishna. When he utters the name of Krishna, bolbe jabe pulak hobe. Jor mein aakhi boli tai. When he utters the name of Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Tears will roll down from his eyes. Maya mangala dasudharaya, Balamanga gadarudhaya gira puloke nishiteir bapu, Balatavana mangrahani hoisad Mahaprabhu Sihastha. Then tears will roll down from his eyes when he utters name of Krishna, Varbe Jabe Pulak Habe. There will be romansa, there will be erection of the hairs on the whole body will ecstatic. Varbe Ankhi Bolitai. You understand? Tears will roll down. Krishna Bolobe Jabe, Radha Krishna Bolo Bolo. Then that will be the outcome. Krishna Prema, this Prema, the object of Prema. Then sadhu begs one thing from you. Sadhu is a beggar, isn't it? Isn't it? Not beggar? Yes. Tridandi Bhikkhyu. Tridandi Sannyasi is a Bhikkhyu. Bhikkhyu means beggar. Beggar. He has nothing in this material world. Has he anything in this material world? He has nothing in his material. Yokinchana, Niskinchana, his pauper here. Materially zero. No material asset, nothing. He has not come here to give you anything material, Baba. Achidananda. He has not come here to give you anything material. Anantadas. Sadhu cannot give anything material to you. Expecting this thing from sadhu is gross foolishness, sheer foolishness. He has nothing material in him, how can he give you? How can he give you? His material zero. He has nothing here in this material world. He has not come here to give you anything material. He has come in here to give you Krishna only, what is not available here, Baba. So why are you expecting from sadhu these things, material things? Foolishness! Give up this foolishness. Get out from here, Baba. Of such foolishness in you. No more here. Get out. Go to that lap of ugly is Maya. Yes. Go to her lap, ugly is Maya. You can't get it here. No availability. Disappointed. Disappointed. What is that? Very disappointed. I came from such long distance, I am disappointed, hopeless, Baba. Understand what I say? Yes, you should understand. Therefore it says, then sadhu is a beggar. He is begging, I am a beggar. I am Tridandi Bhikkhyu, beggar. Bhikkhyu means beggar. I beg this thing. Give bhikkhya to me. What bhikkhya? Radha Krishna bolo, sange chalo, imat bhikkhya chai. 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 Hari bolo bolo re, Radha Krishna bolo. Hari bolo bolo re, Radha Krishna bolo. Radha Krishna bolo, Hare bolo bolo re,
Radha Krishna bolo,
Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai.
Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai.
Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai.
Radha Krishna bolo bolo re sabai.
So this is the bhikkha. The sadhu, bhikkhuka, a beggar, begs, sadhu is a beggar, bhikkhuka, he begs this arm. Please give me this arm. Radha Krishna bolo, sangye chalo. Utter Radha Krishna, come with me, come with me, come with me. This is bhikkha, I beg from you. But is a miser, he cannot give. Miser never gives. Kripana. Are you a Kripana or a Brahmana? Lari is Kripana. Isn't Lari? You are Kripana. You're not Brahmana. Are you Brahmana? No, he is Kripana. He is miser. He is not Brahmana. You are?
Kripana.
Kripana? Jagadava is also Kripana. Not become Kripana, but become Brahmana. Opposite word of Kripana is Brahmana. Brahmana's opposite word Kripana. Arjuna says, Karpanya dosa pahata sabhava prachamitam dharma samudha cheta dasreya vidhastita sisyate ham sadhina tam prapanna. At last Arjuna says, I am Kripana. I don't know what is my good, what is my duty. I am confused, I am bewildered. Karpanya dosa pahata sabhava, upata sabhava. Yes, I am bewildered, confused, I don't know what is my duty, or the fight, or not fight. You understand? I am Kripana, I am miser, I am not Brahmana. I don't know what is real good for me, what is Shreya for me. I am so Kripana. Therefore he accepted his friend Krishna, the Guru. Please give me, impart this tattva jnana sadhima. Please tell me what is Shreya, what is good for me, what is real, auspicious for me, good for me. I don't know, I am confused, I am Kripana. Karpanya dosa pahata svabhava pruchhamitam dharma samudha jasya bola. Please tell me. Sisyate aham sadhimanta. I become your sisya, your disciple. Come under strict discipline, inflict strict discipline on me. Purify me. Cleanse me, my heart. Then impart tattva jnana. Impart tattva jnana. I become your sisya. That is sisya. Complete under discipline. So that is what. Radha Krishna bolo, sangye chalo, yahi matra bhikkha chahe. Other name of Radha Krishna, come with me. Don't go with Maya. Why are you going with Maya? Why are you going with Maya? Lari. Give me this bhikkha. I am begging, I am begging. Radha Krishna bolo, sangye chalo, other name of Radha Krishna, come with me. I am a traveler going to the lotus feet of Krishna. Come with me. You want?
Yes.
Yes? You? People, yes. Inside? Maya. On the lips said yes, people. Inside, what do you want?